Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening SuperLive Plus and staying focused on the essentials. Make sure your phone is on the same too. 4 GHz Wi-Fi or connected to the same LAN. This simplifies discovery. Once done, tap the plus or add device button. Use the device ID/serial or scan the QR code on the camera label and choose P2P if offered. This avoids port forwarding. Enter the camera username and password. Do this now so the app can probe the device immediately and list it for settings. Once the device appears, you move into configuration. If P2P works, you can skip complex network settings. Otherwise, choose manual IP or DDNS and type the camera's local IP and port, default 37,777, so the app reaches it directly. Make sure to pick the proper channel and stream quality, main for full resolution, sub for low bandwidth. After saving, test live view in the app. If the video lags, change to substream or adjust frame rate to reduce bandwidth usage. You finish by saving the configuration and rebooting the camera and app to solidify the connection. Make sure device time and firmware are current. Mismatched time can block playback. Secure the system with a strong password and enable remote access or P2P for off-network viewing. If you don't see video, check one thing first. Confirm your phone's Wi-Fi is on the same network and the camera LED shows network activity. If still failing, restart router, camera, and phone, then recheck ports or firewall rules.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.